much cheaper, much efficient, and you can have it anytime you want. So these are the kind of things you bring one after another. Not that we have tried out everything yet. So I said, if you all join together, there's many more exciting things to come. That's the future for us. Thank you.
Thank you very much. The next question is coming from Mrs. Kochwango Yawoski, who is the IOC member in the Philippines.
Thank you, Mr. President. Hello, Professor Yunus. Thank you for being with us today. I will try to be precise, but it's making me nervous to think how to be precise. The actual question is short, but there's some explanation. In 2009, the corruption level in our country was extremely oppressive, and it was very difficult to see that there were more people who were complaining rather than trying to think of how they could be part of the solution. And I was part of a group that felt very politically helpless and disconnected. And none of us were business people. We had no idea how to run a business. And we knew that we couldn't go into the communities to try to teach business because we can't teach what we don't know. But we felt very strongly that the problem we were facing was commercialism and materialism. It was changing the values of society and priorities and human relations. So we had this idea and put together a group whose name translated means, what is your stake? And we decided that we would turn the skill into the currency in the communities, meaning that if you're a carpenter or a doctor or a plumber, a teacher or a sports coach, you would be offering your services in exchange for the services of someone else. And we wanted to do this to show to people that we are interdependent and we are accountable to each other, because as human beings, we are meant to be connected, but greed makes us unknowingly take things away from each other without even knowing it, and destroy trust and relationships, and no money to go around anyway. So in 2009, we started this group. We were detoured in 2010 because we were all suddenly called to a different mission, but now we have been talking about reviving this. And my question is that, do you think this is naive? Do you think this is something that could grow into a giant tree? Or is this something that would not be sustainable in the long run? Thank you, Professor Yunus.
Thank you. The answer is yes, of course. Again, the design at the early stage is the most important part. If you're designing as a social business, you have to have certain characteristics in it.